All right, looks like we got a little bit of snow. So I'm gonna go see if the fish are still alive. Dog's having fun. It looks like a few inches. Somebody's having fun. All right, well, I think we know what the temperature is. Freezing. Let's see if there's any collapsage. Wow, a lot of snow on the roof there. Here we are. Much warmer in here. A little dark. Wow. Those tomato plants are really going to the ceiling. The mint looks like it could do better. Lots of microgreens. Looks like I'm going to eat a salad today. I actually need to add some water to the fish tank. I've been a bad fish father and have not. Okay, this grass. I got to put something in there that's edible. But there's all the fish. You can see the water is really low. But the interesting thing about the system is even though the water is low, it's still pumping some water, and it's also keeping the pond aerated. So that's an advantage of the system that was sort of discovered later. I brought a little fish food for the fishies. It's actually dog food. But they look okay. Yeah, they're hungry. So everything looks pretty good. I haven't checked the mushrooms in a long time. I'm wondering what's going on here. And the mycelium is starting to make it all the way to the top. So it's starting to colonize the straw layer that I added, which is good. And they'll probably pop when they pop, when the conditions are perfect. Looks like the sun is trying to make it through a little bit here. But yeah, I'm gonna go get the hose and fill up the fish tank, top it off. It needs about a foot of water. And other than that, all systems are go. Please like and subscribe. And thank you for joining me today, and Happy New Year, by the way.